Hey Hunter, Mr. Leonard's playing with the big machine and Chris is hanging out in the middle of the road. Ah. Man, yes, I touched your butt. We're pulling these look how big they are. They're huge. Hey! No! Safety first. I don't know how long this thing will record, but we'll see. I'll walk over. This is the tower they're taking down, piece by little wood piece. And the little lake they accidentally created because they dumped dirt here so they could drive across, and now it won't drain because nobody put a pipe under it. Oh, he dropped it. Too late. I'll have to get them the next time. Ah.